Hello, hello. Okay, my bad. Forgot to unmute the mic. So it's just me talking to myself. Today we are going to do another little random thing here. What I'm thinking about is using his Sebastian Legg's idea generator that he put in one of his videos. It looks like a fine piece of machinery that can teach us, that can tell us what kind of game to make. We're gonna have a little time limit here. Just Sunday is gonna be a quick day where I try to make like little game ideas as much as I can. Maybe like one mechanic or little prototypes. So let's just a blend of the rhythm and hack and slash game genres with an online leaderboard. What is blend of the rhythm? See, Sebastian, we're having trouble here already. First idea was a bust. Maybe let's do another one. Let's see. A dreamy Metroidvania game that takes place in the month of December. Where you play as a polite pirate and will stop at nothing to learn photography. This is more of an ad lib than a real game. You could probably do it. Not a big fan of Metroidvania here. Puzzle game with speed running in mind. Okay, Sebastian. I thought that your generator would do me good. It did me no good here. Let's see. So maybe we'll do an ad lib here. Let's see. Ad lib sentence here. Where's it? Come on. Ad lib empty. Isn't that called an ad lib? Fill in the blank ad lib here. I don't want to download some kind of virus. Fill in the blank story. Here we go. All right. Fill in a funny story. So a mother acting crazy. Huh. Alright, we're going for it. We're going to make a game about a... This is just nonsense here. Let's go to our drawing board here. Docs... What the fuck is that? Word. Docs.google.com here. Alright, we're going to... If you want to pick, you decide here. Otherwise, if no one decides, I'm going to have to do it myself here. So, I'll make this font super big for you guys here. 96, is that big enough? All right, a blank where you blank but cannot blank. Right, so that's pretty good mechanic here. So there's okay. We'll make our own ad lib. That's what we're doing here. So a type, right? Do a little stylization here. A type where you mechanic, right? Okay. You guys are getting the vibe of this, right? Let me just... A type of game. This is what we'll do. This is a little harder. Type of game here. So we do like that. It's bold. So we change that. Where... My typing is not good. Where you can mechanic one, right? But cannot mechanic two, right? So we need a list of these mechanics here. So we got the types of games are like what? We got FPS, third person shooter. We got a action RPG. What is that? The turn-based. You gotta pick one of these first, so let's see. Name different types of games. Let's make a kind of game that you guys want. What kind of games we got? We got tell me what kind you want to make. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Word. Alright, this is too big for me. I can't even see what's going on. So I'm sure you guys can't see what's going on. Let's have this. You can't just divide it by 2 there. Let's just do 42. Alright, there we go. So we got FPS, turn-based, RPG, we got RTS. What else we got? We got puzzle. Alright, we got a match 3. So it's a. So there's some guys. Let's get mechanics. Gun is backwards. No, what is that shooting back at me? I think we'll just riff it, right? We'll just riff it into. So let's make the world first. That's I think what we need to do here. So Unity here. Where's my Unity? Thought I opened you up. I definitely opened you up. Oh. Just have no logo. So now I have the logo. Random rolling game here. Let's see. Some nice coffee in the morning. Let's get this going. We got some chill music we gotta play here. I don't know about that one. Let's see. We want like a. Well, let's just do this one. This is pretty calm. Start it from the beginning here. Can you hear me? All right, sounds good. We got this. Let's get it going. All right, so we got some nice music. Let's calm ourselves down. The project is open. Just enjoy the moment with some sweet coffee. Got a lot of FPSs. Thinking of making a game, like a survival horror game, whatever it's called, jump scare game, but where you are the monster. Imagine that. Kind of takes all the scares out of it. What if the monster was just as afraid of you as you are of him? Classic Monsters Inc. theory. Well, I'm gonna take it into action, and we're gonna try it. But not right. I mean, I guess we could finish that. We could finish that if you want, and then I'll pop that in my. Yeah, we'll see. We have so many other things. The trick is, I figured out potentially this is not a surefire method here, but let me put this 30 so you guys can probably see it. When you're making a game, this is just what I've studied from YouTube. If you want to get views, you do it is this, but without that, in a way, like I made Assassin's Creed, but the assassin only uses bananas. So now it's more of like a Donkey Kong game, you see, like I made World of Warcraft, but all of the players have lives. You see, something like that. That's how you make a good game there. So what we're trying to do is wait for Unity to open. I think it's open. Here we go. They automatically put me in dark mode. They know. I mean, I like light mode. I don't even know how to switch back, so it's unfortunate, but that's okay. All right, this calming music. What about like a game like, let's see, like chess, right? But not chess. So we'll start with like a little. Start with the ground here. We'll do 16 by 16 here. Gonna make a chessboard. Chess board. Texture. Just like get a high fidelity image here. Alright. Where's the images here? I have an idea, and I'll keep you along the way with me. I'll keep you informed. We're gonna do some kind of chess style game here, but it's not chess. I think it's more like an action RPG. This is not a chessboard. That's like a fucking wall. This is a chessboard here, but it has a watermark on it. Chessboard's 8 by 8, right? This is 8 by 8 right here. This looks fancy. Alright, I think I'm gonna go with this weird one. No, nothing on it here. Looks like a tile, but it's fine. Looks like a fancy old chessboard here. Where do we go here? I'm gonna go to Blender. No? Is that right? Yeah, I'll just start using this Blender file. Textures here. So it's much easier to find. I always go this one for a second. Chessboard texture. Alright. It's like a 1K texture or something. That's fine. Okay, just pop it in here for now. Let's see. Okay, can we, anything a normal map would do on this? Give it a little bit more pump and pimp. Boom. Let's try it. Alright, should I ignore the ping file gamma? Yeah, probably. Let's see. Apply. Just add it. Let's see what happens. There's like a normal map generator right here. Come on. I like this music. It's very, very chill. There we go. We got a little bumpy chessboard here. A little mountain region for our. If we do that. I like metallic. Gives it a little more life. Let's make this thinner. Let's use 0.1. We're not gonna ever see this side. So the goal. So we're gonna start as like a lowly pawn, right? I wonder if I can just make. Let's just download chess pieces here. You think they have it? Come on, what the fuck is going on? Asset store is moved. 2021, you gotta go to the website, okay. Chess. Chess. Do I have to confirm something because it's not working? There we go, chess. We want chess pieces here, so this is good. Free. My favorite. I like this song. It's a bit. Alright. Alright, so add this to my assets here. Okay. Open in Unity. Let's see. I already have Unity open. Okay. So you go to the package manager. You didn't care. This is all my assets here. So where's the chess? Oh, this is cool. It's much better. I like this new asset store method. What do you guys think about the new asset store method? Let me know in the chat. It looks cool. You just put it on here. Let's import it. What do you want? Like a sword, right? A sword. We'll do. Sorry, all you asset creators. No, I'm money to blow on this right now. Let's do. Which one? This one here. RPG swords looks good. Got a lot of reviews. It is old. Doesn't matter. Alright, there it is. Download. This is cool. I like this way. Method of selecting assets much better. Alright, so we're making anyone tuning in right now, we're making kind of a chess RPG here. I think just like a little one. I'm a big fan of RPGs. Maybe like a chess battle, pawn versus pawn, you know, then that might be better. Alright, let's see. So we got the. Let's see. I'm not 100% sure yet. So where's the chess pieces that we downloaded? Is it all in here? There's the swords, chessboard texture. I gotta get the. I never imported the other pieces. Chess. There you are. Import. Import here. Taking user input or whatever, viewer input if you want to tell me what to do. I'm still very malleable in the process right here. It's early on. Not committed one way or the other. Reload poly chess. We want the. Oh, there's a board here. Let's try to stick the board. How do I make it normal size? That doesn't look normal size. It looks squished. I don't like your board. I like my weathered board here. Alright, so we'll start with the pawn here. With the pawn light. Versus pawn dark. Alright. It's like a fight to the death. So, what are we doing here? First of all, we have to pick which one do you want to be. So let's make like a. Alright, let's make a UI screen here. Let's say button. Button there. Alright, we'll say get you into the center here. And alright. Focus that. Pick a side, it's gonna be okay, let's do this. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, we'll put this over here. You want to be white or you want to be black? Alright, so let's pick a side. You want to be white or black? Let's do. I like this music. White. Black. Alright. And then you do like a. Like how small that noise is here. Let's do like a center here. Choose your side. Let's go right in the center. There we go, and put that in the center there. Make this what? 50? 100? Alright, so we gotta choose your side, white or black. This is like the selection screen here. Alright. So I'm gonna pop this here. Alright. Let's hide that. We don't need that. There we go. Okay. So now we gotta pick. Oh, where is it? We're gonna do a little white versus black chess here. Let's do a character controller. Is it gonna be? So we got the swords. We got these swords here. Gotta figure out what to do here. Maybe put some on the ground and pick them up. That'll take a while to get implemented. I mean, I guess I could. If I'm not making a full game, I can probably just hand jam it a little bit. So we got one sword here. I think you fight, it's like a dodgeball kind of thing. You gotta go for the sword. Right in the middle, there's that sword. That's the first level, maybe. And then if you don't get that sword, then you get like a little dagger. We'll put that over here. Okay. Get a little bit like it's been there. Alright. Maybe it's pointing at something. No one knows what it's pointing at. Alright, so the sword should be pretty easy to get to for both of these guys here. Alright, let's put a... What do we want? We want a rigid body. I think we want rigid body on both of these guys. Okay, rigid body. We want a capsule collider. Looks like it's fitting pretty good on this guy. Let's just make it a little bit bigger. Kind of auto fits. Let's see what it does. Looks good. Just gotta freeze the rotation or kinematic. Maybe kinematic. We'll try kinematic for now. Worst case, we'll freeze the rotation. Not a big deal. Alright, and now this one. Just copy the same. Oh well, we didn't type that much. Put on. Oops. Dark pawn here. Okay, just to get everything good. We'll say black, alright, and white. White. What is this? Oh, okay. We gotta move this to the right spot here. Get out. Go here. We want to zero you out. Okay. And then put that back. And then the same thing here. So put you. Okay. Black and white. Maybe choose your character screen. It can be a pawn, a bishop, or whatever. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna fight. So one of them's gonna be AI. So first, let's make a good character controller here. Alright, so this is a very simple one. Let's get this. Create a folder. Textures. Asset store here. Just put all these assets, store assets in their own little thing. Go. You got a burp. Excuse me. Alright, no problem, no problem. Let's see if anyone on YouTube's talking. No one's talking on YouTube. That's cool. Alright. So we got these swords here. Let's just put a little colliders on them. Okay, I'm going to this chessboard. Alright, sword. Alright, we'll do just call an empty game thing on weapons, right? So we kind of put all the weapons there. Call this one sword. Call this one dagger. Put a little box splatter on this. Trigger. Alright, and then I think same for this one. Just simple, like if you walk over it, you get it. First come, first serve. Alright. Okay, and then we want. Well, we'll just activate. We'll just take this and we'll put it in your hands here. We'll see. So, get it right here. that. Maybe I'll hold it like out a little bit, down a little bit. Now that looks like a sword guy. Alright, so we'll call this sword. We'll turn it off. Simple mechanics here. We'll do the same thing there. Let's just copy this one. Put it on black. Kind of invert everything, right? That should work. I'll put 999. Alright, here we go. And then let's reactivate this one here. Where are you? You're a little far away, because of course you're not in the exact same. Let's just reverse it all. So plus 180. Nope, just did positive 180, which is fine. Alright, we'll just rotate it here. Where's your sword here? Alright, thank you. What if he threw his sword like that? Let's rotate this up. Alright, so we got the pawn has this sword here. I've been playing a lot of chess recently, so this is probably why this is coming out like this. But I don't want to just make chess. I mean, obviously we can make chess, but we've all played chess before. We never played chess battles with a sword. Alright, so we got that. There's the sword. Let's do the same with the dagger really quick. Alright, baba booey, baba booey, baba booey. Let's just copy the same sword. See how that goes. Fast mode. There's our dagger. Looks pretty good. A little far away for a dagger. Let's put it in closer. I hold my dagger close to my hip, as they say. Alright. Dagger's a little big, huh? It looks more like a sword. It says dagger small. Let's make that dagger small. Alright. Okay. There's a small dagger. Let's copy that. And actually, let's make a small dagger here too. I'm sick of this big dagger looking thing. Let's put it here. Now that is a real dagger. Put that next to the sword. Delete that. This is our dagger. Tiny. If you don't get the sword, you are screwed. That's basically the entire thing of this game here. Now let's put this other dagger here with our friend. I honestly, these guys don't even have arms. I think they're screwed already. But we'll see. What is it? Alright, where are you at? Where are you at? Okay, you're up. Let's put you back at 0. Let's put you in your friends. We can just copy these values here, right? Just be quick here. Copy component. And then what do we got? 0.25, 0.4, 0.4. Okay, that's just what we need, so. Alright. 0.25. Oh, come on. What is going on? 0.25, 0.4, 0.4. Alright. Let's move you into position here with your little baby-sized dagger. Little wow dagger. Anyone wants in the chat, start messaging. That's great. Could start off with a nice dagger fight here. That would be fun. Alright. Okay, so we got the sword, we got the dagger. Let's make you 0.25. 0.25, 0.4, 0.4. Now let's make you just the same, just to keep everything. No one's gonna notice a little bit off, but that's good. Alright, so we got that. Let's hide these daggers. Alright. Let's make a movement script. Player movement. Alright, it's gonna be third person, I think. Alright. So we don't have to jump. We just need to move the camera and move the person, right? So I might just take I already have a movement script, because we're doing this fast. Where's my Unity folder here? Where is it? RPG. Rockies has a good one. Let's take his. Player manager, no. Controllers. Okay, so we got a player controller, player motor. Alright, let's see. I already made this, let's just make this. Let's copy this. Alright, so he wants an nav mesh agent, we don't want that. Alright. Transform target, we don't need that. What do we want? He's doing the using, oh, this is all using agents, we don't need that. Alright, well, we'll just make our own here. What's another one we can, alright, we don't need that. Where's third person? Let's see what this is. What do we got? Okay, this is kind of what I was gonna go for. Using character controller. And he's using mouse X. Weird. Alright, I'll just do my own thing here because none of these controllers are looking good. Alright, so got update. What? Can you guys see that? It's too small. Can I just zoom in? There we go. I hate zooming in, but it is what it is. Whoa. Horizontal equals input dot get axis raw horizontal. We got float vertical equals input get axis raw vertical. This is just the normal movement script that I usually do. So let's do that. And fix update will actually move it. So let's just make a make a vector 3 here with that. We'll keep it for everyone here. We'll make it public on this. You know, I'm a fan of making it public here just so I don't care because it's not released game yet. Alright, we'll do movement equals new vector 3 horizontal 0 vertical. Alright. So now we're in fixed update. Okay, and we're gonna move in there. So transform dot translate. So it smooths it a little bit. We got movement. Times time dot delta time. Times move speed. Alright, we need to move speed. I would never do good on a timed game jam because of how many typos I make. I'm like the slowest typer. What was I? 5 right now. Alright. So we got that going. Let's just do that first. Let's see. I'll move the camera after that. Alright, we'll be black for now. And actually I realized we need rigid body. And we need capsule collider. And where's the capsule collider looking right now? Okay, there we go. So let's do 1 and 1. 1 and 1.5. 1 and 2. 1 and 12. Yes, that's great. 1 and 2. Now let's do 0.5 and 1. 0.5 and 2. 0.5 and 1.5. Now there we go. Let's raise them up a little bit. 0.4. 0.6. There we go. Alright, and see how that goes. Let's delete this one from here because there's some baloney on there. We don't want that. Keep everything on our main character's controllers. Alright. So we got that. Let's see what happens. He's gonna fall over because we didn't put on kinematic. Okay. We got our guy moving here. No problem. Alright, cool. So now what we want to rotate the actual player body. We want to rotate the player when we look back and forth. The camera. Okay, let's see. Maybe this is player camera, right? Okay, wait, so let's do another one. So first let's set up our main camera in a good spot over everything. Let's delete this. We have one main camera. Alright, let's set it up over everything to where it's going to be in this select your character screen. We want it to be in the middle of everyone. Let's do it like this here. I like this all here. Rotate on 90 here. 45. Alright, cool. Alright, so it's like select your character. Alright, and then we'll deactivate that and we'll put a new camera on one of these characters. And we'll position it the same on all of them. So it should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright. We want to position it the same so it doesn't matter where we put it here. We want it to look good for a good fight. We could use Cinemachine, but I've really just been using normal scripting recently. Is that good? I think that looks good. And so what we want to do is move the camera. So let's do camera movement. Let's do this is player camera. I don't see any messages. Oh hey. You never thought I'd look like that. Namaste, hello everyone. Thank you for watching. Sorry I missed your message, Dabby. You never thought I'd look like that. What does that mean? A lunatic. Yes, I look like a lunatic. You got me. That was over on YouTube. Those nice messages over there. Keeping me going. Alright. We got, alright, so let's, whatever, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so let's see what happens. So we got the camera following now. Oh, we gotta deactivate this camera for now. This is just for start. So we'll have those on a switcher. If the game started, we will deactivate that one. Alright, so we're good here. We got this camera following this guy. We got chest battles. Let's see if we can collide. Oh yeah, no, we didn't put the collider on this guy yet. Alright, so we got the camera. We need to make a camera controller. Alright, camera controller. Pop that there. What is this? This is mine. This is the other one. We need camera controller. Open up. Open sesame. Alright, so what do we need? We need public game object, main camera, public, or let's call it pre-game camera. And we'll call it public game object, game camera. We'll do a start. Do a public bool game started. Alright, and then if game started, then we want pre-game camera. We'll activate the game camera. So we'll do a little method there. Okay, so public void private void activate game camera. Basically for this one we'll do pre-game camera dot set active false. We'll do toggle game camera. Bool true or false. And this is opposite of true or false, right? And then we'll just do this one. Game camera dot set active is true or false. So if it's true, then basically if it's true it'll activate. If it's false it'll deactivate. We activate game camera true. Let's see what happens here. Let's put in the game manager. No, put on the player camera. That's probably better. That's where we're gonna be doing a lot of the controls. Alright, so we got the pre-game camera. So this one will be game camera equals this dot camera equals camera equals this dot game object. Alright, good. Alright. Let's start it, let's see. Okay. And else activate game camera is false. So it's either true or false. So we'll see. Should switch back and forth between both the cameras here. Okay, so game started. Oh, because that's only on start. Okay. Let's just update this here. Why not? What are we doing? We're trying to optimize, or are we trying to make a game fast? We're trying to make a game fast. We'll optimize another day. Thank you for the chat in YouTube. Very nice, guys. Hopefully Twitch can get on the same board as you. I enjoy the chat. I'm sorry if I miss it. I have a laptop here sitting next to me. That's how I monitor the stream chats. So I'm switching back and forth between Twitch and YouTube. Alright, so let's see if we can get this to switch back and forth. Awesome. Let's do this. I didn't do it, but alright. It's not switching back and forth. I wonder why. Alright, well, what if we just do, let's just do print game camera activation, and we'll do true or false. Right there, it'll tell us what's going on here. Let's see, did I save it? Maybe that was what's going on, I didn't save it. It says not checking to see if the game started. What if I do like this? Weird that this isn't working. This is a simple switch. Let's just see what happens if I start it with the game started. Okay, and then if I switch, I see. So it can't deactivate all the cameras. Okay. So I could just activate that, or I could just make another statement here. That might be what I have to do. Activate game camera. Okay. Then we'll do. This one is false. This one's true. You gotta make two different statements here. So instead of that, we'll just do activate game camera if the game started. Or if it's not started, then we'll do the drive a void deactivate game camera. Alright, we'll do the opposite basically. So game camera, pre-game camera. So you have to activate first. That's kind of what I'm getting at here. Pre-game camera dot set active equals true. And opposite false. So that's what's going on. I'll call this one deactivate. Alright, should be good. Everything should work. Start here. Thirsty. Alright, Aaron. It's not doing it. It's not doing it at all. I wonder why. Debug here. Let's just see if not game started. We'll try this. See what happens here. So it's the fact that this is the main camera. So if I just make another camera, it's not really the main camera here. I'll just pre-game camera, activate it, put it here. Will this work? It's such a stupid thing to get stuck on here. Alright, instead of that, we'll do the pre-game camera. This one we'll do the player camera. Just put it in there. It's fine. Okay. Because the game object's off. It's such a stupid thing. The camera's off. That's what I should be doing. Duh. Okay. Well, good thing to know. I'm an idiot. Let's just drag it all in. Who cares? I'm sick of this. We're done. Do what a dumb move there. That was like the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Alright, we'll do game camera dot enabled is true or false. Okay, so we can do this again here. Game camera is true or false here. Put another bool in. See, this was to streamline the process, and I just got stuck on one of the stupidest things I've ever gotten stuck on here. True. The game started is true. And then what? The pre-game camera is the opposite. Alright, and then we'll just do the same thing here. Let's get rid of that. Sometimes you get stuck on the stupidest stuff here. That's a real slap in the face, no problem. Yes, okay, here we go. Okay. The game camera and the main camera. Let's activate that. Alright. There we go. Like magic. What an idiot. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, my bad. Okay, so what do we need? Now that we got that out of the way, what do we want to do under this? So let's just say the game started for now, so let's just do a start. Remove me. Remove me. We'll put anything we want to remove there, so we'll do game started is true, always. Start off. Okay. So now we have that camera controller. Alright, and now let's do a private void control camera movement. Okay, so what do we want? We want float mouse X equal to get equal input get axis raw mouse X, and we'll just see what's going on here. So we don't want really up and down. Is that up and down? Might be up and down. We'll try it out. We'll see. We want to rotate the camera or we want to move the camera. We'll try transform, not translate. We could rotate it. We want to rotate the player. And the camera will follow. That's what we want to do. I think. So maybe this isn't even in the camera controller movement. We'll try rotate player. We'll get rid of this really quick. What I'm imagining right here, we don't even need that. Do private void rotate player. We just want to look left and right. It's not that we need to go up and down or anything. So we want float mouse x equals input get axis raw mouse x or whatever. If it's mouse y, we'll switch it. So we want transform.rotate. What? We need a vector 3 Eulers here. Okay, so we do the mouse x 0 0. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna call it rotate player. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, well, why is it still? Okay, yep, it was that. All right, we just wanted to look left and right. So let's do. Was that? What way was I moving the mouse for that to happen? Left and right. So it just needs to go in the Y spot. Because that's how intuitive these Eulers are. I'm moving my mouse on the X to me, but to them, I'm rotating along the Y. Okay, so there we go. I mean, that's good. We don't really need to look up. Oh, but we're not kinematic, so that happens. So we can just change that. What is that in here? In here we are kinematic. We use gravity. It's all animation based. Okay. Alright, and now we can just kind of smooth this out. So do times time dot delta time, and then times rotate speed. I'll make a rotate speed. And this time dot delta time like 1/10, so we'll start at 15. We'll see how that goes. Okay, where are you at? I like this song. It's nice and chill. Only one person watching. Only one person watching. Des, now it's two, right? You and me. Hope you enjoy it. Too slow. Let's do a 100. Oh man, and good spinning. It's early Sunday morning, Des. On Twitch, I have a good amount of people watching. If you want to go on Twitch too, maybe start the chat because there's no one chatting. They're just watching, sneaking around, looking at me. No one's saying a thing. All right, and let me lock this cursor. All right, so start cursor dot lock state equals cursor lock mode dot locked. Let's do that. All right, so we can move around freely. Oh shoot! Come on. We're doing a chess fighter here. So whoever gets that first, the other person has to get the dagger, and then they fight. All right. All right, good. What's there? Is that? We're moving. Now we want health. So let's do that. Do we need this camera controller or something else? No, that's fine. All right. So we want a public thing. Public void. Public bool. Start game. Game started. Yeah, we'll do bool true or false. I'll return game started equals true or false. Right. Okay, so now that should work. Alright, cool, there's that. You're really underrated. Thank you very much, Desk. You are an MVP, sir. I'm glad to have you on the team here. We're gonna get this ship rolling. We're making some kind of a chess battle game, you know, not chess, it just looks like chess. I'm gonna pick up these swords. We're gonna fight. Fight to the death here. Alright, so what do we need? We need health, right? We need some health. Let's do health. Very simple. Alright. Oh my. Alright, so what about it's not opening. Where's the music? Oh, it all ended. Let's get another one. Where's some free, this is no copyright jazz instrumental, 1 hour. Some nice music. Alright. Let's get this going. I like this. Tell me if the music's too loud. I'll turn it down. Alright, so health. Open up health. Alright, we want to int. Public int. Health. Set it to 4 right now. We'll do 100. Alright. So that's good. Alright, we'll do like a public. Void take damage. Put in a int of health. It'll be like health minus equals damage. I'll put in damage. Okay, so now these guys can take damage here. Alright. Really, that should be it. And then what do? We just, let's see, we'll put a health script on both these guys. We'll do a print health. Alright. Come on. Alright, we'll do health here. We'll do health here. And we'll do what do we want to do? We want to kind of have an attack point on these swords and daggers. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to first put an attack point on the end of the sword here. Let's do... Alright, attack point there. Where's the sword going to hit? It's probably going to hit there, and we'll make like a circle. Sphere collider, that was called sphere collider. Alright, so turn that down. Basically, if we hit anywhere with here with this sword, it should attack. So that's good. We'll call this attack point. Alright, we want this to turn on when we attack and off when we don't attack. Okay. So on click. If we have the sword, okay, let's just start with the sword equipped. We have the sword here. We want to attack. Let's do player attack. Let's just make sure this guy's all wired up. Make sure he has a collider on here. Nope. So we got capsule, collider. Nope. 1 second, I'm getting a... Okay, we're back. My bad. I was on the phone. Yep, lost a lot. All right, here we go. All right, so we're going back to this. I lost where I was. It's okay. Where's the music? Did the music stop? No, my headphones are off. That's what. Let's turn it off again. Come on. There we go. There we go. All right. So we got this guy with a sword here. So we want an animation, right? So let's do an animation right now. Let's do a little animation here with this guy. I'm gonna say sword attack. All right, we'll save it in the animation folder here. Come on. All right, there we go. Sorry, I was on the phone. My bad. Probably lost a lot of viewers. Sometimes you gotta take some personal calls in the middle of the day. I'll call it sword attack here, and it will be what? When the sword moves. I like this very weird song here. Rotate it here. It goes back a little bit. A little closer. Where's so the sword doesn't count as part of him? So we gotta save this as its own prefab. Alright, I see you. Come on. Unpack that. Why is it not working? We don't want that. Oh, that's why. Move that. I guess we could. Sword attack here. Let's just do it there. Okay, well now we got it. Alright, so let's do record. We'll do the old there. It's got the position. Alright, and then like right there, we'll make it attack. Rotate it in a little bit. It's a little far away from this guy. There we go. Alright. I want it to go all the way through with this attack here. That looks it's looking like a full attack there. Alright. And then we just want it to go back. Alright. Alright, that looks good, right? Got our man hitting with the sword here. So let's do an idle with sword too. So let's do what is it? Idle sword idle here. Alright, we'll do wiggle. 40. Wiggle. Maybe do a little bit like that. And then 110, wiggle, waggle, and then just go back. We'll probably slow this down too. Oh, you know what we need is a smooth curve here. What do you call this? Both tangents linear here. It's not linear. I'm gonna go through all of this. I mean, I haven't found a fast way to do it. I guess it is. Oh, I see what's going on here. So it needs to smooth out a little bit. Let's smooth this out. How come I can't select it? It's like I'm moving stuff down. Oh, and it's because of the uneven timing. Alright, that's no problem. Let's make this up. So all 40 seconds here. So what is that? 40 plus 40 is 80. Is that 120? Right? No. Yeah, right? 120. And then 160, yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, we got it. We got the sword idle, which would be the default, right? So if this, so first the default is nothing. So So if let's just do default state has to be like, we have to do a blend tree, right? We'll do, how do we rename this here? No weapons. That's the default here. No animations really. The sword looks awesome. The sword I downloaded from the Unity Asset Store. Let me see if I can find you exactly what it is here. RPG Swords Pack right here. If you want it, I'll link it. I'll link it in YouTube here. Let me just go to YouTube for you here. And I'll link it in Twitch too. Alright. Oh, we're almost at 200 subs here. That's pretty good. Thank you for everyone for subbing if you're watching this. There's that, if you want it. That's the RPG sword pack you can get. Let's do this blend tree called No Weapons. Make this the default. Alright, and then if we have make another one, call this one Sword. And we'll put those sword animations in there, so and this one we want. Add behavior. Make kind of a buffer here, alright? Make transition. I guess we don't need a buffer here. Let's do that. So what do we got here? No weapons here. Let's delete this weapon here. With no weapons, it's gonna be playing nothing, right? It's not gonna give me an error, right? Okay, so we got no animations, alright. Good, alright. So then we want the sword idle, if we have a sword. So I'll make a transition here. And then from there we can create a transition here, there, and back. So that's the two, that's what we want here, and then we're gonna do the dagger too. We'll just do that really quick. Alright, let's go back here. Alright, so this is gonna suck if you have a dagger. Maybe we'll do like more of a stabby animation. Call it dagger attack. Alright, so record that. Let's see. We want it to be like what, kind of like a stab, right? Alright, like that. And then what, like 25 seconds here. Stab out. Maybe rotate a little bit. Like that. And then what, like come back. Maybe like 40 seconds, come back. Let's see how that looks. A little too slow, honestly. So that's good. So that's the dagger stab. We need an attack point on the dagger. Let's do that. Alright, and it'll be really a point this time. So we'll... oh shit. We'll call it a spear collider here. Want it at the tip of the dagger. We'll say if the dagger... we'll just make it the same size to be fair here. So if the dagger hits you, you are hit. Alright, let's turn it to disable it for now. Like we can just disable the whole attack point. We'll enable the attack point later. Let's re-enable that. It's gonna be more complicated. Just get the game object to disable this better. Alright, we want a dagger idle. Maybe we can use a sword idle for the dagger idle. Damn. That's what I should have done anyway. I should have made it. No, I think it's fine. Alright, so let's do... How do I move this into that? Dagger attack. I need to make it a piece of that. Let's see if I... Get rid of this animator control. That's the problem. There's like animation control there. Alright. Let's remake this. Happens sometimes. Alright, so we got the animator here. Good. Alright, let's make another animation here. One dagger attack. It's gonna be like a stab. So, there. Very simple. Alright, we'll pull it back. Oh, where'd you go? Okay, there we go. I'm on dagger attack. Alright. Not too far back, like right there is good. And then, why did it zoom out so much? Whatever. Stab. Then come down with the rotation a little bit. Rotate this way. And then go back. That's cool. Okay, that's a little stab we got there. So that's the dagger attack. Good. So we'll put that in the animator here. The dagger attack will go over here. And then we need a dagger idle. Let's do another one. Come on, that. What's going on here? Okay. Get a new one. Dagger idle. Alright. Just if you get a million messages here. What is this? I'll switch you. Alright, whatever. Game jam ends in 3 hours. Not gonna do it. My bad. Okay. Alright. Ba 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 booey. Let's see. We got the idle here. Wiggle that. Wiggle that there. There's some very subtle movements here. 215. We'll make it like that. Maybe like that. And then what, like 410 here? 430. We'll just put it back. And we'll have some very smooth, slow motions here. Alright, there's our dagger idle. Doesn't really matter. Okay, looks good to me. Alright, so let's pop that there. Look, it's already there. Let's put it on top here. This music's good. Very chill. Let's make a rap song to it. Alright, there we go. So we got those little blunt trees there. So if we have a dagger, maybe we'll do this. So let's do character animator. No, we don't need to do that. Alright, player attack. We won't have a separate controller for that, that's fine. So we'll do inventory script. Come on. Create inventory. Alright. So what are we gonna do? If we pick up the sword, do a public void pick up sword, public bool pick up sword. Alright, and then it'll be as sword equals true. Return as sword equals true. Alright, and then if it's public bool pick up dagger, return has dagger equals true. And we're gonna make these two bools here. Alright, so once we have that, then the animator will do an animator. We'll try the animator, start, animator equals get component. Well, if we put this on the inventory manager, yeah, get component, animator, alright. Okay, and we'll do update animator dot set bool, say has sword is has sword. We'll do what? Start false. Has daggers false. And then animator dot set bool has dagger. Has dagger. Alright, so good. Alright, should work. Let's see. Now, it's like loading every time. Is this something new with me or what? As exit time, get rid of the fixed duration, 0.1. Let's do this here. Same thing. Alright, and then we will make some conditions here, parameters. Bool. Has sword. Another one. Has dagger. Alright. What is this? Some baloney. There you go. Does it still work even if it doesn't have that? Okay. Alright. So now, if has dagger is true. Alright, and if has sword is true. Alright. And then also we want to activate that, so do a public game object sword, public game object dagger, put that here, put that there, just separate these so we can get it. Alright, so pick up sword, sword equal dot set active true. Alright, and dagger dot set active true, and then at start we'll set them false. So sword dot set active false, and dagger dot set active false. Keep everything going. Alright, so let's see how this goes. This should, we get this here, we don't have the inventory script on right now, let's just put it on this guy. Alright, sword is this one, the dagger is this one. Let's deactivate it here, and let's see how this goes here. Congrats on 200 subs. Oh, I got 200 subs. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Wow. It is coming along here. 200 subs. What can I do for 200 subs? I will eat 200. I'll eat 300 subs. If I get 300 subs, I'll eat 300 subs. Live on camera. 300 subs. Wow. That would be the day. Never had even. Okay. Okay, so now it's switching between them both, so that's fine. Alright. Not a big deal here, so let's get these transitions going here. Just for now, we'll fix them later. Okay. Thank you for the congrats. Alright, that's good. I just wish Twitch was as popping as YouTube, which is fine, you know, if not, one day maybe. Either way, it's okay. It has sword. Alright. It's doing something weird here. It's like disappearing. Oh, because it's deactivating every second. Wonder why. Okay, let's see. Is that part of the animation to deactivate? Let's see if it does that with the See if it does that with the dagger. Okay, wait, let's see. Pick up the sword. We want to pick up the sword, so let's just make it happen. Let's just see. Alright, so these swords here. If you... Alright, let's do this here. Scripts. Let's just get a little organized here. Alright. Come on. Alright, let's do pick up. Alright. We're just separating everything into a bunch of scripts, no problem here. It's like always opening up the wrong thing. This is what this is the new Unity one, newest one, 2020. Alright, pick up. So let's just say on trigger enter here. We'll do if other game object get component inventory here. Let's see. So if it has that, what's the script we got? We'll do pick up sword. Other dot pick up sword here. So it should be that easy. Okay, and if okay, that should set that active. So that should be it. All right. So we'll try that. We'll call this pick up sword here. All right. It's gonna have a little hissy fit for a second. Rename that. There we go. All right. So now we'll just pop this on the sword, and then what we'll do? Where did the pickup sword script go? There we go. All right. All right, and then we'll do private void. Pick up. Pick up. All right. We just want to do this. Do slider other. It's fine. Keep it all the same. If other is that, then pick up sword and then destroy this game object. Destroy. Okay, so that should do that. I'll pick up other here. Should be good. Let's see. Let's pick it up. Okay, we got ourselves a sword. It's still doing some fucking goony shit. Let's see the animation on that. Is it like setting active or deactivating in that? Yep. Why is that even a thing here? Let's just stop that right now. Alright. It's like flashing on and off. What a mistake. Okay. So there's one sword. So now when we click, we're going to want to attack. Easy. Alright, so we got that. Let's do pick up dagger, same kind of thing here. Pick up dagger. It'll be exactly the same as pick up sword, really. Welcome to all the viewers watching right now. Thank you for watching. I enjoy your company. YouTube's popping, Twitch is popping. Twitch has no chat. You guys talking on YouTube, that'd be awesome. I enjoy the chat. I try to look over as much as I can. Maybe you can talk to each other too. Join the Discord if you want. Having good times over there. Sometimes people asking for help. A lot of people asking for help. which is fine, dude. That's good. That's what it's for. So we got that. All right, pick up dagger. Let's make it work here. Just copy this whole thing here. That's fine. Pop it here. Okay. We'll just change this to pick up dagger here. That should be it. So either it's making you a dagger boy or a sword boy. But this music is getting me going. It's nice. Alright. Let's try it. Now if you can pick up okay, oh, did I put the script on it? Yeah, probably. Okay, what's going on with it? Okay. Oof. Did I do that? Okay. Let's see what happens here. What's going on? Okay. Let's try it out. Okay. That one's not working, that's fine. Why is that one working? That one's not working. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Almost the exact same script. Is there no pickup dagger script? Okay, dagger not set active. The real question is, did I put a dagger in the script here? Let's see. Okay, dagger's there. Dagger. Let's see what's happening here. It's because I'm way above it. Duh. Alright, so we can just... There's two ways to fix this. Either we make this smaller or we make this bigger. I say we make the collider, the trigger bigger or whatever this is. So what is that? Z? That's Y, I'm assuming. 1? Nope. Z. 10. Nope. Shit. Let's say, what? 1. Do 10. It's tall. That's good. We'll do the same with the sword here, just to make it even here. Call it 10 here. So now, all you have to do is walk into it, you're good to go. So now, where's my dagger? There it is. You can't really tell I have one, so it's a little bit too far to the side here. We can fix that with the animation here. Let's see. Alright, dagger idle. Let's activate this dagger. Let's see. That's a little bit. Where am I looking? That's the real question. Where's the camera? Okay, let's take this dagger. Move it. Right here. Looks good, so we can see it now. Let's try it out like that. Oh, don't do this shit again. This is what happened last time. Alright, stop that. Alright. Let's go. Can we see the dagger? Dagger's off. Okay. Let's get it. Okay. There we go. We got ourselves a little dagger. Alright. We got our weapons here. Now let's create the attacks. Anyone on Twitch talking to me? No one on Twitch still not talking to me. That's good. Friendly people on Twitch. Really, I'm serious. Friendly people. Great job. Thank you. Alright, so now we need to attack. Player attack. Alright, so let's say inventory. We'll call this public bool has weapon. Alright, so we'll do or we can just create a little return function here. So public bool has weapon. We'll do if what is it? Has create an instance here. Region singleton and region public static inventory instance. Wait, instance includes this. Great, just collapse that down so now we can activate that. So if we have the weapon, so let's do a public inventory. Alright. Let's do start inventory equals inventory dot instance. Great. Alright, so now attacking. Come on, update. So if inventory dot has weapon, so that's the first one. Then if we click the mouse button down, so 0, that's left click, and we will put attack. Let's call it attack. Yeah, I know, okay. You guys are smart. Autocorrect, fill me in. Alright, so attack. What is that? Plays the attack animation. What is that? Maybe the animator in here. Animator. Looks like the animator equal to the component children. No, the animator's on the actual one. The component animator. Alright, we'll do animator dot set trigger. We'll call it attack. Alright, should be like that. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Boom. And let's set the triggers here. So we'll make one trigger attack. Alright. So transition and transition here. And then back. Alright, we'll say, what is it? Attack. And then nothing, right? Just has sword, true. Right? That should be, I feel like that should be it. So going back has an exit time, right? But going to it should have no exit time. So going to it should be pretty cost free than going back to it. We'll say 1 second, right? And maybe like that. 0.05, 0.2, 0.15. Let's see. Let's try this out here. Okay, we got player attack. So if we have a weapon, then we attack. Let's try this out. Drop this player attack on the player. Come on. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Do we need anything? No. Okay. What do we got? What? Blend tree, no weapon state uses parameter blend, which does not exist. Okay. What? Don't use a parameter blend. There we go. Alright, whatever. Still use a blend. Let's see if that works. Inventory does not contain exist. Let's see, let's save all that. Sometimes just saving is all you need. Let's see. Oh, I picked up the wrong weapon. It's fine. Alright. Boom. 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 Alright, it's looking good. We got our attack going. Alright, let's do the same with the, what's it called? Alright, go back to their base layer here. Do the same here. Condition attack. No exit time. No fixed duration, 21. And then, what did I say? 1.15. 1.15. Keep that, let's test that out. Always testing, you know. Keep on testing it. We got our chess fighting game going on here. Alright. There we go. Looks like it's doing 2 stabs, which is great. You know, is it gonna hit our friend here? Let's see. Oh, and I got the double one. It doesn't know which one. I guess I'm gonna. Alright, let's make it so that doesn't happen. Alright, so if let's do, what was it looking for? Inventory. I will say, let's just do another helper function, whatever that's called. Helper can pick up weapon. So if it doesn't have sword and doesn't have dagger, then return true, right? Else return false. Alright. So really we'll just literally fuck. Dang, I mean frick. Whatever. Well, helper functions never hurt nobody. Alright, we'll do can pick up weapon here. So if we can pick up a weapon, then we'll pick up the sword. Should be the same here. Alright, so now we should only be able to pick up one. Let's see. Okay. Alright, let's test the other way. Alright, and now we only get one at a time. Good. Alright, easy. Alright, so got the attack. So now if we want to, what is it called? We want to get who we hit. Attack, set trigger. We want so if it's hit by, we want the player to take damage. So this is health script. Pop it on there. Each one has health. Just take damage. So if boom, we put the sword. So if what do we need? This is what happens when I get a brain fart and then I'm stuck. Alright, who's gonna deal the damage? We're gonna do the sword deals the damage? Very, very odd. Yeah, I guess we can do that. Alright, so first when we attack, we're gonna activate what are we doing? Inventory here. If pick up dagger. Boom, sword. Return has sword. True. Okay, so if say public int damage, right? And if inventory dot has sword, then damage will be what? 10. If inventory dot has dagger, the damage will be what? Let's say 5. Okay, so now there's that. So now we do what? The dagger's collider. If we want that attack point to activate, so let's do public game object attack point. So that, for that we have to get component and children, right? You know what? That attack point, turn on. Well, we could just hard code it in. I think that's sword attack point. I can't just sit here and think about it for a long time. I'm sure there's a more optimized way, and I'm just forgetting. Sword attack point, dagger attack point. So say if, same thing. Don't repeat yourself. So it's too late. We'll do what? Sword attack point dot set active. True. All right. We'll do the same thing for dagger here. No problem. Put that back. We'll do dagger attack point. That's an active true. Alright. So now when we attack, those attack points are turning on. Boom. So we want to make our collider. See if that attacks, if that collides or anything. So we'll put the script on another one, I think. That's the only thing I can think of right now. Welcome to all the viewers on YouTube. Welcome to all the viewers on Twitch. Very grateful to have you watching. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, so now the attack point's on. Let's just call it deal damage, I guess. Then I don't need the damage here. Alright, we'll call it. I mean, this is probably not the right way to do it, but it is a way. There's no right way, right? That's what they say. We'll call this, we'll call it blend. We don't want to fuck anything up. We'll say deal damage. Alright. Pop it on. Pop it on even further on the attack point here. Alright, deal damage and deal damage. So we will do public int set damage, right? So we'll set it from somewhere else. Say return damage equals damage. That was there. Desired damage. Alright, whatever. Alright, we'll make one. Now I'm going around about. I must be tired. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so now once we set the damage, it's set. Alright, we do do on trigger enter. Okay, so we're gonna deal damage. So if other game object get component health, right? So if it has the health script, then we will literally just take this dot take damage. We'll do damage. Alright, so that's where we're gonna set our damage. And by default it will be 0, right? Okay, and so that should be it. We should be hurting the other one. Let's see, our health script will print the health if we do that, so that's good. So when we pick up the dagger, we want to set this damage from somewhere. So we can just change this to static here. Okay. And we'll just, what's this music stop? Okay, there we go. So we'll do, when we pick up the sword, we'll do deal damage dot set damage is 10. Alright, and then when we pick up the dagger, we'll do deal damage dot set damage is 5. Okay. Simple. So let's see, and then that should be doing pretty good here. If you deserve more subs, I bet you will become big one day. Thank you, Gaurav, very much. Tell all your friends about me. That's the way we get big. Otherwise, we just wait it out. Thank you for watching, everyone. My Twitch has gotten a comment. Want to become famous? Buy followers, primes, and viewers on click.ru. Well, that sounds like you're getting famous when you're buying followers, huh? Thank you guys for watching. It's great. Let's keep going. Alright, we got white. Has L script. Let's see how that goes. We'll pick up the sword. Alright, and then something's going on where it's not letting me attack. Some kind of issue here. Sword attack point has nothing. And not only that, I have to turn it off after a second too. Sword attack point is there. Alright, and then the dagger attack point is there. So not only that, I have to turn it off, huh? I just realized that. Oh, fudge. Where did I put that? It's in the player attack script. So boom, set active true. And we'll do private void toggle. We'll do private enumerator. Let's try that. Toggle attack point. Okay, we'll put in game object attack point and float timer. I think that's it. So we'll do attack point dot set active true. So we'll do that, and then do if attack point dot act itself. It's not active. Set it to true. Then we'll wait a second. Okay. Return new yield. Return new. Wait for seconds. Wait for seconds. We'll do timer. And then attack point. Set active false. Okay, so that should turn it off after a little bit. So we'll do toggle attack point. We'll do sword attack point. We'll do a timer of like what, 3 seconds. Alright, and we'll do the same kind of thing here. Let's get rid of that. Copy this here. Put that there. Alright, we'll change this to dagger attack point. Okay, that should That should do it. Who knows though? A lot of likes on this is good. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to subscribe. I enjoy it. I enjoy the community. Bye. Have a good day. Thank you very much, Garav, for coming in for a minute. That's good. Okay, let's see if it. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so, oh, no collider. We'll do that. So the collider is not set up right. Let's make it the same as this one. Copy. Paste values. See how it looks. Okay. Alright, it's looking good. No rigid body. That's fine. We don't need it right now. We'll put it on. My attack point's not hitting, and not only that, it's because of the let's do this freeze rotation there. And let's just make it all the same here. Freeze rotation here. And the attack point is not a trigger, is it? Should actually be on collision enter. Let's change this here. On collision enter. See how that works? A lot of stuff to just keep changing here. Okay. Are you not working here? Let's see if the attack point's not turning on, that's why. Why not? That's because the attack point is not turning on. So why are you not turning on? Is he leaving me an error? No error? Let's see. Let's just do this and see what happens. I just do this. Alright, come on. Okay, we got that. Oh, let's pick it up, alright. Not turning it on. Let's see. Why are you not doing it? Let's call this sword just in here. Alright, see what we got. Just why doesn't it activate? When you attack, should turn it on. Okay, so it's going here, it's just not turning this on. Weird. To me, this is weird that this is not working. Let's just see if we do that really quick. We do sword attack point, set active, true. Might have to work around here just for a fast game here. This is just a fast game. Black sus is trying to kill white. I know the shoe could be on the other foot. Hopefully by the end of this, we'll be able to pick. We'll be able to pick characters. I'm just trying to make this game in a day. It's a little quick. quick game. So when I attack, okay, now the attack point's on. The only problem I have with that is if it's constantly on, we might attack ourselves, but now we gotta see why isn't doing damage to this mother brother. Okay, so the attack point's on. Now we want, because the damage isn't set. It's not setting the damage. That must be. Let's print the damage here. If we're setting the damage, let's print it. Let's set damage equal to desired damage. And then we'll print damage. We'll just make it say what? Set damage to damage. Alright. And then we'll do return damage. Should be good. Really should. So something's going on here where it's not changing the damage. And I think it's because it shouldn't be static, because there's more than one. We'll do, where do we set it? Inventory. We'll just say where is it? Public deal damage. Deal damage. We'll make this a singleton too. No, it shouldn't be a singleton because there's not one. We need to figure out if the sword we need to set damage to so return, so public int set damage here. We'll set our damage to, okay, now this is where we'll do it in the inventory, so we don't have to do it a million times. Alright, we'll change this here. We'll change this here. And we'll say set damage here. Public int set damage. Alright. We'll say if the music stop now. Music stop again. We got all the way through that 100, through that hour here. Royalty free beats. Here we go, some coffee house. This is not so relaxed, it's a little pumping. A little bumping here. Alright, so what are we doing? If has sword will return 10, right? Whatever. If has dagger return 5. Oh shit. Return 5. If has dagger return 5. If where's it going? If or else we'll do just return 0. Any other case we'll just return 0. Okay, so now instead of doing the singleton for this one, we'll do start private. Children. Deal damage, get component children. The deal damage. Trying to remember the order of operations that I'm making here. So this is deal damage. We'll do deal damage equals get component in children. Deal damage here. Okay, good. So now we'll set the damage here, so set damage 5. And get rid of that. Alright, so that should be it. Let's say we can actually look at it too. So let's see. Pick up sword. What did we change there? Nothing, I hope. Alright. This is like a little puzzle on us. That's why I love this. Okay, so we got the damage here. Take a look. If it changes. Okay, reference not set. What? What did I do? Okay, we will have to. See what's going on. Pick up sword, pick up. Okay, something's happening. So we're setting it to true here. We'll just do this here. Okay. Maybe this will work. Okay. Because the inventory's on the main guy. So it really should. Get component children should work. What did I change in pick up sword? That's not. Set to an instant of an object can pick up weapon. It's an inventory. Can pick up weapon. Yeah, it is. Let's get rid of this and see what happens. There's something going on here. It should be such a simple fix, but everything's failing. This is classic. Hours into Unity. Alright. Okay, so it really was that deal damage thing. So it's not able to find that. We'll say we have the game object sword, so we'll do sword dot get component in children deal damage. Maybe it's something like that. Then we'll do that's equal to, alright, we'll do deal damage dot what set damage is equal to 10. Maybe that'll work, because we got to go even deeper into the children tree. Let's see. Welcome to all the viewers. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a good Sunday, or whatever day it is where you're at. It's having trouble again. So it has something to do with this deal damage element to it. It's not getting the component of that. What if we just hard code it? Fuck it. We'll go to should this be a singleton if we have inventory on the front? set the damage to 10. Let's just see if this damage thing even works here. I think that's where we're at right now. We gotta go step by step. We're fucking messing up everything. No accessible definition for set damage. Stop it. Okay. We're getting stuck here. Shouldn't. It's just fatigue. Classic fatigue here. And it's because it's not setting active. Once it sets active, that's where we can do it. So since it's not active, since the damage thing, this isn't active, on the player attack is where we have to set the damage. So we have the inventory here. Instead of that, we can do get component inventory. So we get our specific inventory. See if we have it. Okay. Get rid of the singleton because it's not a singleton. Okay. Okay. Should work like that. Okay. So now we have inventory here. Our specific inventory. If we have the sword, we can screw that. We don't need that. Alright. We're going to set our damage. We're going to call this. Let's do the same thing. Dagger attack point. Dot set active true. Alright. Okay, so if we picked up. Once we have that attack point active, then we can set our damage. I feel like we should set our damage before, but since I put it on the attack point, that's the problem here. So now we'll do sword attack point dot get component dot deal damage. Okay. We'll call that dot set. Okay, we're finally getting something. Alright. 0. Alright, we'll do public int set damage. Put in desired damage. We'll do damage equals desired damage. Great. Return. Do print. Set damage to damage. Sorry, we're going in circles here, guys. I'm trying to figure this out. Return damage. Okay, so it should set our damage to that. Now, if we do this, set damage to 10. Right? Do the same thing here, except for 5. Okay. Alright, so now when we attack, before we attack, it should set that all in motion here. We potentially have fixed it. Don't want to speak too soon, but it seems like we fixed it. Okay, there we go. Set the damage to 10. Now we're doing damage here is the real question. Nope. So next thing is figure out what's going on here. Set our damage to 10. You want to take damage here. So now we deal damage here. Should say on trigger enter. It's not. It's just not really sound for a second. It's not doing anything like this. Okay. On trigger enter. Do the same kind of thing. Game object dot get component health. I'll just do this same thing here. Other. Let's see what's going on. Because it looks like it is colliding with me. Actually even double damaged him. Because on the way in and the way out. So that's fine. Okay, so we got something going on here. Let's see if the dagger does it. There we go. It's a collision, not a... Who knew? It's a trigger. If one's a trigger, it's all a trigger. It's still at 100. Because the damage did not get set. Am I right? says set damage to 5. Oh, because it's not. Yeah, is it the same? Okay. Let's try again. Let's see. Something went wrong. It says set damage to 5. Why did you not? Let's make sure that the 10 is working. Okay. One more time. Let's try this. Okay. Dagger. Attack went on. Set damage to 5. Now it's at 5. Alright. Oh, the sword attack point is at 5. That's why. Okay. So what's going on here? Oh. Duh. And that is it. That was what happened. Thank you for the viewership. Very nice. Okay, we got him taking damage here. So now make a death animation here. Animation death. And where are you? It'll be starting from standing up. Go forward. There we go. Side to side here. Like a real chess piece here. Go around. What does it look like right now? Looks insane. Well, let's finish it off here. We can always make it longer. Spin it like this here. That. Let's see. Let's make it all longer here. It's so short. Stop. Stop. Let's turn this here. Let's do this a little bit better here. Let's get the timer right here. So how long do we want it to take? Maybe 2 seconds. So from here, we start, we'll do start at normal. Everything's 0. Alright. 0. Alright. And at the end we want it like this. Okay. So I think we want it to fall fast. Like right here. It falls fast. And we'll add a little spin, so what is that? 230, 225? See how this looks so far. From the beginning. Making some animations here. Spin this around. Let's see. And let's turn the curves all what is that? Linear. Ah, well. Maybe spin it around some more. Keep that motion. So we're going to keep this motion here, spinning, spinning. I like that. All right. So now I'll keep going. The ending will be like that. Let's just stop that there. Where's it going? Why is it going like that? Stop that there, you see? Okay, there we go. Now we can make this a little shorter. Even that a little more. Even all short here. Okay, so when you die, it's like that. We got the death going here. Bye. Enjoyed the stream. Thank you very much for coming, dude. Thank you for the support. Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep going. So, we got the death. So when you die, the death animation. Public board is dead. Do we need that? Just do animator. Public animator. Animator. Start. Animator equals get component. Animator. Mama Booey. There we go. What am I doing? It's classic. Tired. That's what it is. It's fine. Animator set trigger dead. Right, I'll just done animations. Do not loop. Many state transition. Trigger, dead. Okay. Transitions here. Dead. No exit time. None of that. Just instant death. Right. And we just take this animator. Copy component. Paste as new here. Go. Very nice. Okay. Alright. Should be the same kind of thing going on here. Let's see what happens. Something happened to where I don't have access to my character controller here. Just see him die really quick and then we'll fix that camera thing. I didn't make him die. Alright, what's going on with the camera? in this script here. It's in clear movement. Look, I didn't do anything different. Can't rotate now, all of a sudden. Audio listener here. Is that something that's going on? Oh, didn't delete it. Okay. It has something to do with the death thing. You're putting that animator on this. Weird. Oh. Okay, let's get rid of that. Get rid of that here. Let's see. So I'm gonna change to the depth here. Okay, something's going on here. Transform by rotate. What if I put it up on top? Weird that this stopped working all of a sudden. Come on. Come on. Okay. Everything works with that. Okay, let's see. See if it's doing it. So weird. The rotate just stopped working out of nowhere. The real question is it rotating and the camera's just not following? Which we'd be able to tell with the sword. But no, it's not. Let's just do this. Come on. What is going on? Let's just deactivate animator. See if that's it. It is the animator, 100%. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Alright. When I put that in, does it just change everything? Yes, it's that death animation that's doing it. If I just... Let's see. Should just make it a bool. Instead of this, I'm more comfortable with it being a bool. So let's just against the dead. Okay. We will fix that. We'll fix that right now. Okay, so pick up the sword. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so let's see. Health. Okay. We got that. If health greater than or equal to 0, health minus 2 damage. Okay. So update. If health less than or equal to 0, then die. We do get component player movement dot enabled equals false. So when you die, you can't move. Really, everything. Let's do player attack too, just in case it will look weird if we're attacking. Okay. Let's just set bool. Set bool dead. True. Something to do with that dead animation, I feel like. I don't know why. I don't know why it hates that. Try it out. So now bool dead. Okay. There's no way back to it. Should just disable everything. If dead is true, that's that. Alright. Yep, so it's literally that dead script. That death animation sucks. Destroying my character controller. Wonder why. Call it death. Yes. Okay. We'll go here. Pop it here. Make transition. It should not have anything to do with anything else. So I'm wondering what's going on. Standing. 0. And then what? Dead. All over. I mean, we'll just make it that simple. Okay, so now it should stop. Okay. Now death. No loop time. Okay, so now if we're dead. We're getting tired. We're getting almost done here, though. Almost done with this little game. It really is this. If I just change this to normal, no weapons idle here. Literally is nothing. Okay, make transition. Okay. Let's see. So weird to me. Okay. If anyone knows what's going on, why I can't have the death script work, please let me know. Thanks, Gaurav. Literally, I just need to figure out why the death animation is not like overrides everything. I put it at the bottom here. Make transition. Make transition. Only if that is true. Only if that is true. Okay, only one way. Alright, this is the quick Google. Adding animation. Stops rotation. Okay, so it's this, okay. Literally, I get it. So the animation should be going on this pawn dark here. So even though it's this animation, it should be pawn dark that's moving. Simple fix. Thank you, Google. Simple fix here. That was a big mistake. Nothing we can't come back from. A little. I mean, the game's almost done. Is it real? It's chess battles. Alright, so pawn dark here. We'll do 0, right? 0, okay. And then 50, it'll fall on the ground. Alright. So that's that. So let's do here, we'll make it go like that and see what happens. If we do this here. Okay, we'll do the slammer at the end, right? It falls. This one's going way too low, too fast. Let's do like this. It's like this. Maybe like that. That's good enough. We're not going to spend an hour on the animations anymore. Now that we finally fixed it. Alright. Death will go from any state to dead. Very good. Alright, finally. I'm sure it'll work. Google is the way. Alright. Let's see. Okay, cool. Alright. So what's that? Alright. So now instead of doing this, I'm going to do white here. It should all be the same. Pop this animator on white. Yes. There we go. Alright, white has kind of the same things going on here. Alright, white has the health script. Health. Alright, wait. Come on. Come back. Health. 0 die. Okay. You will at least die. Let's see. Going fast off the edge. Alright, here we go. So it's 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Okay, what happened? Why are you not dead? Okay, why are you not dead? Because it's trying to loop the animation maybe? Duh. Alright, let's try it again. no loop on the animation. See what happens. Alright, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Still doing something crazy. What's going on here? Why? Let's try on this one. That's why. Can't find the Pawn Dark. So dumb. If I just call it Pawn. Call it Pawn. Go back to Death. Can I change this? Literally. This is a joke. Alright. We'll redo it here. Come on. Our pawn. 0. Alright. And here. Down on the ground. Right here. Should be like up here. See how that looks. That's good enough. Alright. Get rid of this bottom layer. Alright. So now we have pawn here. The collider, we should turn off the collider. The component capsule collider. Dot enabled equals false. Disabling everything here. Oh. Set trigger. Trigger equals true. Alright, there we go. No. Kick component. Rigid body. Enabled. Yeah, this is insane. Alright, something's going on here. Let's see. So now, we'll give it a go. There's another thing called pawn there. Ideally, it would work. Okay, so now it's doing the wiggle. Why is it wiggling a million times? Oh, because it's setting it constantly equal to true. You are a dumb computer here. Getting to the point where I'm just gonna really color pool, death, animation, played. Death animation played equals false. And if death animation played, if it hasn't played, then you die. You die and die, okay? And you set death animation played equal to true. Alright. So then it won't play a million times. We should get ourselves dead here. and that's because it's coming from any state. Literally, I didn't have to do that if I set it from 3 different states here, but we'll just add that step. See if this works. Still doing it. We will just delete that. Oh shit, no, come back. Sorry. We're almost there, Let's just test it on one, test it on more here. This is the white. Okay, cool. Alright, no exit time. It's looking good. If it actually happens, we're good to go. Alright, come on. Don't die on me now, huh? I mean, please do die. Let's see. Okay, he's dead. We can walk over him. Alright, great. Alright, so now he dies. Let's set it to equal to work here. Okay. Exit time. Exit time. 0.1. Exit time. 0.1. Okay. So we got that. Triple trifecta here. Let's copy it for the blacks animator here. Okay. Transition. Good here. It's dead. It's dead. I gotta go to the bathroom so bad. And it's dead. Okay. And we will get rid of exit time. 0.1. 0.1. Okay, and 0.1. Great. We're problem solving today, guys. This is great. Alright. So now we have that. Okay. We'll call this black player camera. We'll copy this here. Pop it on white. Copy this. Turn white around here. Face inside. Now this is the white player camera. Okay, now we'll do a camera controller. Another. We'll say, where is it? Scripts. Camera controller. I'm about to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back, guys. Thank you for being patient with me. Got a lot of people here. So we'll say public game object public camera white camera public camera black camera. Okay, that's what we'll do. Public bool select and public void select color. If bool is white, if is white, then do game camera is equal to white camera, else game camera is equal to black camera. So that'll be the select player color. So that player color. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Thank you for watching. 1 second. Sorry. Yep, everyone left. I'm back. It's okay. Maybe you will come back one day. Until then, we'll just work on this game. We're gonna finish it. Finish what we got here at least. Alright, so we got the white player camera. Okay, and the black player camera. So we want the camera controller off of that. Remove component. We're gonna remove the component here. We're gonna put the camera controller on the main camera. Okay. So the pre-game camera will be the main camera. And the game camera will be disable all these cameras here. Disable this one. Okay. So we have the pick the white and the black camera, okay. Let's go here. Black camera. White camera. Alright. So the game camera will be whichever one you pick, so when you start selection screen here, decide what we'll do. What is it? Okay, we'll do select player camera here. So on click, we'll do game camera here. We'll do camera controller. We'll select player color here. So that it's true, white. Okay, and if it's supposed to say white. Right. And if it's not true, then it's black. Okay. Hello all, hello all. Select player color, if not true, it's black. Alright, so let's see what happens. Okay, let's have it. So on here, alright. Okay. Game started, true or false. Restart game. Game true. Alright, so that's good. Okay. So we'll do that here. We'll do start game true. Alright, so first you set it. Then so start game started false, right? Start game false. Started off false. Then update. Once it's updated, we'll do that. Alright. We'll try this out here. And then so once we select that, disable UI. Select, character select. Okay, so I'm just doing avoid, disable, character select. Let's turn off. Public, game object, character, select, UI. Did I spell character wrong? Yeah. Okay, alright. Say character, select UI, set active, false. Alright, well, the opposite here. True. Okay. Let's see what happens. Just turns off. Gotta do this camera control. Okay. Alright, and it's because the cursor is locked. Somewhere else. Okay. We'll do, if it's true, so we'll do let's just do this. Cursor lock mode. Locked. Alright. Shoot. The game started, then it's locked. Alright. Easy. What do we gotta do? What is it? Cursor. 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 It's cursor state. I messed up. Cursor. Lock state equals cursor. Lock mode. Locked. Alright, and then the opposite will be. There, get rid of this, get rid of that. Alright, so bing bang boom. Should we be able to pick a button now? So choose our side, white or black. Okay. But right now, okay, so we didn't set the player yet for that. Black. Okay, cool. Alright, so now you can pick your character. Almost. So what we do is so we do a selected player script. Okay. Put it on both. Okay, so now there's that. I'll put that on top here. It's hard to move that stuff. Move up. Selected player. We're going to activate. So inventory and health will be on both, no matter what. So it's really player attack and player movement. Okay. Player movement will be down here. Put it down at the bottom here. copy component. Down, I don't want to get it. Come on. Move down. Move down. Move down. Move down. Why can't I just open the prefab, unpack completely or something? Prefab, oh. Unpack. Prefab. I want you to unpack that. Alright. Okay, so player movement, let's move it down. Here, alright, cool, alright. So these are disabled. This is disabled. Then we'll do the same thing for white. Select the player. Health will put in here. Alright, what else do we need? We need inventory. Copy component. Inventory. My laptop died, so I can't really monitor anything. That's okay. This is going to move in. Everyone has health. Player attack, player movement. Okay. Make them all the same. Okay, so player attack, player movement. We'll do sword attack point, dagger attack point. Copy the sword attack point here. Okay, alright, so let's see. We just copy the same sword. Alright. And we put it under this sword and we move it to 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1. All the same. We do this. Okay, it's facing backwards, that's okay. What am I doing? Okay. So this guy's facing this way. Okay, so we just need the sword to move. Let's put this here. Alright, and we will delete that sword. We'll move this. We'll rotate it full. Nope. Rotate it like this here. Nope. There. 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 And there. And I have a feeling that the sword's gonna have bad animations. This is all relative to where it is. Let's just disable all that. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's just see what happens now. We select white. Music stopped, huh? That's what I was feeling like. Back to this great music here. Select white. Can't attack. I just want to take it exactly. Okay, there's that. Animator. Sword idle, but sword attack isn't working. There's something wrong with the player attack script. Sword attack point, okay. So take this, pop it there. Let's see what happens. what I don't want is the sword to go backwards, right? Okay, alright, so it looks good. Okay, so let's do the same thing with the dagger here. Up here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Great. Activate that dagger. Let's see what it looks like. It's on the wrong side. Let's move it to where the sword is. I'm gonna go on YouTube on here really quick because my thing died, so I can kind of see what's going on with the live stream if anyone's chatting with me. Twitch, I'm sorry you're not getting any love. Oh wow, got so many subscribers, thank you so much. Mute this. Alright, there we go. Alright, lots of love, guys, thank you so much. Disable this. Alright, we got that going. Let's try it out before we see. Come on. Let's see what's going on. Alright. Looks like it's in a good spot. It's not wiggly wobbly. Oh, because of that. Just fuck that. Alright. See? Alright, you're looking good. Dagger. Alright, let's put on the dagger attack point and see if we can attack with it. Alright, let's see what's going on. Alright, alright, it's looking good. So we got both people have the ability. You can pick between them. Alright, let's disable that. Okay, so now we can't pick between them yet. Okay, so now turn this off, turn this off, turn this off. So we need to do the select the player script. And on start, it's going to get component player attack enabled equals true. And the same thing with player movement. So it's kind of like picking the player here. Oh, okay, alright. Let's see what happens. And then with this one you do camera controller is what we're selecting, right? We're selecting the player color. So if it is white, we can do this. Pop this here. We're going fast now. I'm not here to make beautiful code. I think this game does look fun, so I might remake it. But right now we're just trying to get some kind of crazy prototype. It's been a little bit too long, so. Okay, so booey. Let's do game camera, okay, and then also public game object, black piece, public game object, white piece. Alright, so if we'll do black piece, white piece. Selected player enabled was true. Okay. Same thing with black piece here. Alright. Okay. So that should be that. Gotta set the pieces here, so that's fine. Did I save it? Something's going on here. Oh, some kind of a. Oh, there we go. sorry. Alright. Alright, so let's keep it going. Okay, black piece. Here. White piece. Here. Alright, so let's see. In theory, it should. Oh, let's make sure everything's disabled first. Okay, yeah. So now, if I select black, I should be able to play with black. Okay, perfect. But when I pick up, what happened? Why did I give him the weapon? Because it's singleton. It shouldn't be a singleton without the pick up sword. What? That is so weird. Okay. Let's try it again. That's a weird glitch. Huh. And if I pick it up with the white one, it goes to white. Okay. So, something to do with inventory script. Oh. Where did the sword and dagger go from here? That's the exact thing that's going on. Son of a gun. Come on. That is so weird. Where did it go? I deleted it? That's great. Pop him back here. How weird is that? Alright. Come on. Go home. Go to your friend here. We're right-handed, okay, on this game. That was odd. Okay. We're so low here now. What is going on? Go up. Go home. Such an odd angle. Alright, that looks... That was so weird. Alright, let's see. And so for this one, this is the dagger. And this is the sword. And that should be the fixer here. Let's just test it. Crazy stuff here. That's insane. Alright, so black. Okay, good. You can attack. Okay. Okay, good. Alright. Wow. What an odd bug. Alright. Welcome to whoever's watching. Thank you for watching. Enjoy it. Alright. Okay, that works. Just gotta set the speed of the player controller on this one, so let's paste the values here. Player movement 5 and 100. Player movement 5 and 100. Alright, good. And that should all be good. Let's see. Alright, so let's see if we can kill him. Okay, he dies. Alright, so now we can do health bars here. Alright, so now you can pick your side. That's good. I mean, this is good here. What we want is a nav mesh agent on both of these. Nav mesh agent, right? We want it disabled by default. Okay. We'll do another one here. Nav mesh agent disabled by default. Okay, and so basically, when you select a character here, we want the black piece, like a component, nav mesh agent to be enabled equals true. Okay. What is that? It's not. What is it? Nav. What is it called? Oh. Duh. Alright. My bad. Okay. Nav mesh agent. Good. Alright. Same. Vice versa for those here. White piece. So we're making a little AI here. Okay. And okay. Let's just test this, see what happens. So what am I looking at right now? White. So if I push black, the nav mesh agent should turn on, but it didn't turn on. Why not? Did blacks? Nope. Oh, it did. Okay. Okay. So what's he going for? He's going for weapon first. That's what he wants. There's gonna be some bad AI here. Right, let's do. What's it called? Non-selected player. That's where we turn on the nav mesh agent. We'll do non-selected player here. Non-selected player. Okay. And we'll just do the same kind of thing here. Turn on the nav mesh agent. If anyone's talking, we got one person watching. It's good. I think on the other one. So start. We'll do get component nav mesh agent. Gotta turn on Unity Engine AI. So let's turn this. Let's get that off there. We don't need it. Let's do extra. Oh. AI. All right. Agent enabled equals true. Okay, so that's that. Okay. So we just turn on that. For that. Okay. Want him to attack us. So let's do turn on AI, right? Enemy AI. Let's make that look nice. I'm going over my time here. And out of my comfort zone. Enemy AI. I mean, we have the foundation of a game here. Going past my time limit. You know what? That's good. Alright, so you're not looking at my face here. Let's fix it. I don't know how long it's been like that, but I like the music here. Alright, let's do this here. There we go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you to all the subscribers that subscribed during the live stream. I'm going to continue this. If you want it, comment. You want to see how to do the AI, we'll make a video about the AI, or I'll continue another live stream. This game looks like it could be fun, so I might actually continue making it a quick phone game or something. Chess battles, kind of like a Tekken or something with chess. Seems pretty cool. I would play it. If you would play it, comment, give me some comments, likes. Thank you so much for watching. It's been so long, I just gotta cut it out for now. I gotta take a break. Thank you so much. Have a good day. if you want to play it when it's done, come join the Discord. I'm sure I'll be talking about it. Thank you so much. Follow me on Twitch. Subscribe on Twitch if you want. Support me. Patreon, there's a link in the description below once this goes live. Have a good day. Thank you so much.